Hey everyone, oh my god, I accidentally deleted the intro for this video, so that's what we have now. I'm editing the vlog right now, so I'm so sorry for this crazy intro, you guys. But anyways, it's not gonna be long. As you all saw on the title of this video, I moved out, yay! Oh my god, I'm so happy, you guys, and super excited, super happy, super everything. I explained everything in the video, so I'm not gonna repeat it now in the intro, and I'm gonna let you with the rest of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. So let's go back to the vlog. The movers are here and can't wait. I'm so excited. Well, you guys, look at this mess. This is all just clothes. I don't have like suitcase or so. I just took a black bags. This is just my clothes. So yeah, we are finally moving to our own apartment. This is my mirror to do my makeup. I don't know what to do right now. I'm just waiting. Like, they're doing everything. So
we're the last people standing, still dancing when the lights come on. The music is fading, but this is our favorite part.
it's coming to an end really soon. So, and when we'll go to my new apartment. Yay! Oh my god, you guys, it's gonna be like a new chapter of my life. And I don't know, I'm scared and excited and everything at the same time. If you wonder what is my family, everyone has exams and everyone works. It's 9 a.m. Me, I don't have exam, I have it tomorrow, inshallah. So I will quickly do my webinar and then go to study. So the movers just finished moving my stuff and I am here. My sisters will come in a bit. The problem is, you guys, okay, I moved today, but I have exam tomorrow. So right now I'm gonna leave everything and go study in the library. I don't have choice. I have really important exam tomorrow and I don't want to feel it. So I am gonna go study and I'm gonna sleep at my family's house. And when I finish everything and I'm not stressed about school anymore, we'll catch up to organize everything and to show you the apartment. So let's go. Hello everyone! Oh my god, you guys, can you hear that? I am alone in my apartment. I don't know what I'm doing here. Like, let's just clarify a little bit the situation. Normally, I can't came here. It's not that I can't, but you know, my family told me to wait until I come and like help me build the, you know, furniture, my couch, but I just couldn't wait. I'm just too excited. So I came here. The exam was yesterday and this is the next day. For exam, it was good. It was really good, alhamdulillah. It was an English exam, so I'm really happy for that. But I have 2 more exams like next week. I'm just so exhausted, you guys. I feel like I've been in exams like for 5 months. It doesn't want to stop and I'm just really tired. Just want to go on vacation. Like, it's just too much. It's just too much pressure. But the apartment came, and also this apartment, I really like. It just came like this. I didn't plan for this. I didn't plan to like move in my exam like period, but it just came like this, and I just took the opportunity and just, you know, go with the flow. So today it will be my first night here in my apartment. I'm really scared. Oh my god. I'm waiting for my sisters to come and stay with me, because like in no way I'm gonna spend the night alone my first day. I came before them just to try like to build something. I don't know, I'm just too excited. I can't wait. They tell me like to wait, but I'm just like, I'm impatient. I need to do something. So maybe I'll try to like to build the couch today, this one, and wish me luck. And for those who doesn't know, quick story, I moved from my family's house. Last year I had an apartment, but the apartment was so far away from my family's house, from my actually city, was out of city, and I really didn't like it at all. I didn't like my neighbors, I didn't like the city, I didn't like the location, I didn't like everything. Actually the apartment was like more pretty than this one, because this one, I don't know, I'll just try to decorate it like really cute and chic. But definitely the last year apartment was more like beautiful. But it's okay. This apartment right now, it's literally 5 minutes far away from my family's house, which is perfect. Like literally perfect. That's what I was looking for. Even if it's like not pretty as the other one, but all what matters is that I'm really close to my family, I'm really close to school, and I actually love the location here. Even if like there's no one, I feel like there's just old people here. So yeah, that's a quick recap of my life. And new year, new apartment, new chapter, new life, new everything. So I'm really excited, and I will bring you guys with me in my journey, of course. And yeah, now I'm just gonna try to build this couch and just move the stuff from the center, because this is not it. So let's go.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling.
Please don't make fun of me. I bought this thing because, you know, when I film at my house, the hijab bothers me because I'm moving so much. So I bought this thing. Maybe it will be like good, but it's ugly. Why do I look like this? I actually never like wear those things. Okay, please don't make fun of me. I don't have a choice. I have to build my, try to build my couch. So I don't have a choice other than just... That's what we have now. So let's try build the couch. Try. I hope I can do it.
I feel like I'm dead. I'm alive, but I'm dead.
Oh my god, I actually cannot believe that I did this. I am such a capable woman. Like, ugh. Look at this. This is literally the entire couch, and I did it by myself, alone. I mean, what do we need, man? Again, please? I don't know. Anyways, but you guys, I'm dead. I swear, like, I can't feel my body right now. My hands are shaking. I'm so tired. I just want to sleep here. So the plan for tonight, I'm gonna order food and just relax. I'm so tired. I actually wanted to like build my desk, but I'm so tired. Should I do it? I don't think so. Now, you guys, the lighting in this apartment is so bad. What the hell is that? Like there's 3, but they are so weak. Oh my days. It's like dark, makes me depressed. But I'm gonna fix this really soon, inshallah. For now, let's order food and eat. I don't know what I want to eat. Kind of like want Indian food. Some tikka masala and some naan. But I don't know. I'm just so tired right now. I don't know what to do. I'll order food. That's what I'm gonna do for sure. And I'll do some online shopping for my apartment because I need a fridge and I need a washer machine. I need a coffee table. I need a bed. A bed, really important. I'm gonna sleep on the couch for now. Ugh. I need a lot of things. Manchi, sage, clear Samsung. Ta-da! My food is here. Really excited. Oh, I ordered pasta and some garlic bread. No way. They didn't give me fourchette. Ugh. I don't know what is my dishes right now. I hate this. Okay. I found a fork. I don't have a table yet, so I'm just gonna eat on the couch. I'm gonna do some online shopping for my apartment tonight. So everything came next week, hopefully. Hopefully, I really hope. And I actually found like really good stuff on Facebook Market, which is so like I didn't know about them. My uncle told me that in Facebook Market there's a lot of stuff, so I'm impressed. There's a lot of things that are cheap and really good. So that's really nice. I'm gonna buy first my bed and then a table and a fridge. Oh my god, I forget every time that I need a fridge. I don't have a fridge in my apartment. It's really important thing. Fridge, bro. Oh my god.